Hi, I'm Marty Wilson. I'm a former Australian Comic of the Year, now author and speaker down here in Australia and all over the world. I'm going to be talking with William about the steps that I went through to go from being an up-and-coming stand-up comic to being a full-time comic over in the UK on the brutal UK circuit, and then how I transitioned from that to be a successful speaker down here in Australia and getting gigs all around the globe. So I'm going to talk about the importance of getting stage time early on. I'm going to talk about tapping into the wisdom of other people, interviewing other people who are ahead of where you are so you can get ahead more quickly. I'd love to see you inside. Look forward to speaking with you soon.